How to Win the Battle Inside You, a story inspired by the Mahabharata. There was a time when a great warrior stood at the edge of one of the most important battles in history. His name was Arjuna, and he wasn't just any warrior. He was known for his unmatched strength, skill, and courage. People looked up to him. He has trained for years, mastered his weapons, and had always been fearless. But when the moment came, something inside him cracked. He looked across the battlefield and froze. There, standing before him, were his teachers, his friends, his cousins, even elders whom he respected and loved. The weight of the situation hit him hard. His hands began to tremble. His bow slipped from his grip. His heart felt heavy, full of sorrow, confusion, and fear. And for one second he thought, why fight those I care about? What kind of victory is this for me? His mind spiraled into doubt, and for the first time, he wanted to walk away. And this is where most of us are in life. We plan, we prepare, we build. But when the test arrives, when we have to choose between comfort and purpose, we freeze. We ask ourselves, what if I fail? What if I hurt someone? What if I can't handle it? Arjuna's story could have ended there, but then something remarkable happened. His closest friend and guide, Krishna, saw his turmoil. Instead of criticizing him or pushing him to be too strong, Krishna patiently listened. He didn't dismiss Arjuna's pain, he acknowledged it. Then he spoke words that cut through the fog of fear. Arjuna, he said, you are not running away from battle. You are running away from your duty. This confusion, this fear, this helplessness, they are very natural. But don't let them stop you. Your purpose is greater than your comfort. Stand up, do what is right, and let go of what you cannot control. These words weren't about being reckless. Krishna wasn't asking to harden his heart. He was teaching him to embrace his emotions, but not be ruled by them. He showed Arjuna that courage isn't about not being scared, it's about moving forward despite being scared. Krishna also told him something deeper. You're not the doer. Act without worrying about the outcome. Focus on what's right, not on what you fear. As Arjuna listened, something shifted inside him. His breath slowed, his hands steadied, and his eyes regained their sharpness. He picked up his bow again, not because the battle became easier, but because he found clarity, purpose, and strength within. The truth is, every one of us faces battles like Arjuna did. Maybe it's starting a new project, ending a toxic relationship, or speaking up, or simply facing our own insecurities. We want to run from the discomfort. We let fear take over and question whether it's worth it. But here's the secret, the hardest battles are always the ones inside us. The way to win them is not by being fearless, but by feeling the fear and still choosing to act. It's by holding on to your purpose when everything in you wants to retreat. It's by reminding yourself that the outcome isn't yours to control, but the effort is yours and you can control it. You don't need to be perfect or always sure or always strong. You just need to be honest with yourself, patient with your emotions, and brave enough to keep going. The battle inside you is where real strength is forged. It's where you decide whether you will let fear define you or purpose guide you. So, next time when you feel lost, overwhelmed, or unsure, take a pause, have a small breath, and ask yourself, what is the right thing to do? Can I take one step forward even if it's small. That's how. That's how you win the battle within.